Wow, we got PDA Master and he is 2550. It is one of the largest or one of the top rating player I'm playing. Wow, F3. Never seen against the Caravan. Let's go stick to the line. Guys, I'm playing Caravan against 2500 rated player, 2550. So guys, this is one of the uh, top rated player with whom I'm playing. Let's go. Give it a shot. Okay, what is the line here? Maybe here. Yeah, I thought of it. A push, come back and come here is like something which I don't like. Let's give it our knight, bishop. I'm hitting the pawn, so and he is not worried about it. How? Maybe capture, knight comes in, and my queen is getting trapped or what? Yeah, that is a poison pawn, guys. We are playing against the FIDE master, and he wants us to capture the pawn and go on to a4 for just type for him. Okay, let's castle. Don't go and fall into the trap. But yeah, I could have pushed pawn further. That is also coming like this. Be here, capture. Okay. Mm, just come back. Be here. He is playing so fast. Yeah, I may lose on a time. I am not sure. I need to save the pawn. Yeah, he will push now. Yeah, I am losing it now. Cannot go. 7 seconds left. Hmm. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Okay, guys, we got a chance to play against the FIDE Master, and I lost on a time. But let me find out the moves. I see one mistake over here. Only one mistake it's showing. How? Let's see. Check it out. One mistake, but still it is showing 50% accuracy, and he's having 92% accuracy. That is kind of nice. Let's see all our book moves. Ah, here I thought of it, maybe come back. But you are giving the tempo. So guys, those who wanna play, just type in the chat, join. I will be playing with you, no problem. Or else we are playing with the top rated players. And today, luckily, I got a chance to play with PD Master, who is having a 2550 rating. That is one of the biggest biggest top player, I would say, so far I have faced. I'm having a fear of B4. Then I would like to come back, and it's like a kind of a crunch situation, and it's like now you have to play like this to get a control on to e5. But anyway, let's check out. And here, I have not captured the pawn. There is a reason behind it. Let me show you why. Because of this, and after capturing, let me see, engine is calculating, and see the bar. You know why? Because of, and you don't have a single square to go, and you have to lose your queen. That's why it is known as poison pawn, guys. So I had seen it, so I didn't fall into it. I just went for the normal. Oh, here also, I think he spotted it correctly. Yeah, I didn't calculated that. Might be, capture, and no need to go for it. No, come here. You cannot capture it. And you have to lose your piece here, an entire piece. So I think he might has missed that opportunity, and I got some chance here, and I said let it capture, no problem. And then yeah, this was possible actually. D3. And D takes on you. Yeah, you're giving majority of pawns here. I'm not sure what has wrong over here, right? And I was just thinking to exchange the pieces, and then it's like nothing left in the end, because you cannot save uh, all the things at a time. But yeah, ideally we lost on a time, but yeah, we were trying to give the fight, and not sure. Yeah, this was a lost on time. Hey, Jesus, how are you? Hey, I was just playing against the 2550 rated player. If you see, he was a FIDE master, and I lost on a time. But this is something giving me the opportunity to learn with them, and this is one of the opportunities. It's really nice to see playing against these title players. So let me show you profile. His name is Walsau. He is from Latvia. Where it is coming? Latvia. In which country it's coming? Or it is separate? It's in a Europe. Latvia is in a Europe. He is a FIDE master, and he's there as a diamond member since 2013. Oh, he has played 90,000 games. Wow, that's pretty cool. Alright, so let's come back to normal